Guys, welcome back. Quarantine Cruise 34. It happens to be a toy drive, so I got some toys in my trunk. I'm gonna drop off in a second, but I'm super excited. I think this is my 9th or 10th cruise. If you are here to get some ideas for your build, you have come to the right spot. The Quarantine Cruise was started 34 months ago. That means almost 3 years ago we had the first lockdown for COVID. Oh my God. So anyway, that's my crazy hat because of Christmas. But guys, check out all these cars. This is ridiculous. So again, if you're looking for ideas for your build, check out all my Quarantine Cruise videos because there's nothing but awesome ideas. Doesn't matter what car you have. Some of them are super expensive. So today I will not forget to set up my cameras on my car because last time I fumbled that one. So here we go. Leave a comment again what your favorite car is, and we'll go from there. Be right back. Merry Christmas. And that's where you put your stockings. Wow, that's pretty cool. John Henson's with Curry. He now has this beautiful low riding cruising machine. So sick. Wide body. But this is really nice. Love the wide body in the back. Means business. Hell yeah, work truck. Watch this. I don't know if you guys heard this coming in, but damn it. It sounds terrible, bro. Oh yeah. You have nitrous too?
Yeah, correct.
Damn. Nitrous and Pro Charge. I don't know if I'm going that route, but wow. Love the patina. Might be the next ride. Low maintenance paint. paint is ridiculous. Oh, windows closed. Boo. Wait for it. Wait for it. Hell yeah, I drive it. Woo. There's so many cars here. It's ridiculous. How about this purple Chevelle? Woo. Rick's Camaro, I love this car. Like me, he did everything himself in his home garage. So clean. LSX Z. Gotta love that. What is happening here? I love the color combo. Wait for it.
Okay, let's go look at it.
Whew, man. All right, 69 goat lovers. You need an idea for your front spoiler. There it is. Love it. Yes, I am here. And the twin Spal 14s are behaving beautifully. Just in case you were wondering from the last video, I'll wait for the paint in the sunlight. It's very rare I get a good shot of the green. Yep. Green. It's green. Sean's 73 GA with an LS7. The paint on here, the stance is awesome. This is ridiculous. Firewall's clear. No, you're not allowed to shoot Camaros. Camaros, 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 Camaro, and a Firebird. I don't care what condition your Pontiac's in, I'm gonna love it. Nice job on the tubs, look at that. Made it to the meetup spot. Another great test of the twin Spall fans because waiting in traffic, off and on. It behaved like a new car. On, off, on, off. Loved it. Anyway, the engine is popping in the sun. Thought you want to see this. Yeah, good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk around, shoot some more cars, and we'll wrap it up. Everyone needs one of these. Looking good. Made it home. 200 miles, baby. The Spall fans worked fantastically well on the way home. I hit traffic. I was stop and go. Fans were behaving as they should, turning on, turning off, turning on, turning off. I loved it. If you missed it, you gotta go check out that episode. I did the install, but most importantly, how to test your CFM, because if any of you have electric fans and you've ever questioned how good they are, I show you how to test it. So go check that out. But thanks for hanging out, guys. Leave a comment what your favorite car was, because, oh, and if I forgot to tag someone, the reason is I don't know who they are. So let me know so the next time I see them, I can give them proper credit. So thanks for hanging out, guys. Until next time, building fast, driving faster. See ya.